Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 9:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 1:30 GMT. Spain's unemployment change will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices edged higher as investors took stock of positive demand indicators, while also treading cautiously ahead of an OPEC Plus meeting to decide the group's August output policy. The US dollar gained ground against major currencies, including the euro and the Swiss franc, after data showed a better-than-expected increase in labour market demand, indicating the Federal Reserve will likely take its time to cut interest rates. Strategy is expected to post mixed financials for the second quarter of 2025. The company is projected to report more than $13 billion in unrealized gains for Q2 2025, driven by its massive crypto holdings. In stark contrast, its core software business is forecast to generate just $112.8 million in revenue.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 1.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.